she doesn't watch this video. But yeah, so step one, I decided actually the other pipe, I put another couple coats on it. This one, I put a lot of coats on this one. I figure this is coming right off the header. It's going to get the most heat soak, and I want to get the most coats on these bits of pipe to make them last. So yeah.
Oh, they are done. Oh, hold on. Whew, it's hot. Really hot in there. Okay, you gotta cool off. Oh, it's got that nice bronze color to it now. So you leave that open for until I can touch it with my fingers, and then it's gonna be install time. Oh yeah! All right, the baking process is done. It's got that nice hard coat on it now. O2 sensor bung is in. It's ready to install. Everything is done, finally. It's been a long road going, but that's done. That's done, that's done, that's done. Be put into the Grizzly now. Oh yeah. Because we are sans exhaust. 2 full dual pipes that come around, bang, out to the back to make some wonderful mono-piston music. I'm excited. I'm excited to hear what this thing sounds like. Yeah, buddy. Holy man, look at this. It's so shiny. Doing some heat wrap. Not heat wrap, heat reflection on the Grizzly here, because I don't have a header wrap on this. I know the ceramic coat's supposed to mitigate a fair bit of the heat, but I do want to help a little bit here. So any kind of inner plastic pieces here that I have here going this way, like I'm sanding it down. And then, yeah, I gotta do a little work here, but yeah, so it's gonna be pretty much wrap anywhere where those header pipes are gonna be near plastic. And that's where and it better be good, because this little piece, 2x2, $70 for this piece. So it freaking better work good. Update time. So after some cleaning, started wrapping the I don't really think I need to wrap the metal, but you know what, I'm gonna do it just cause. But definitely my coolant bottle. I really don't want the because man, the header pipe is so much bigger. Look at the clearances. Literally can't. It is pretty much almost touching the frame. So pretty much as big as they could get it. I mean, I don't have the header tightened up yet, so I'm pretty sure it's going to suck in a little bit. Then I'll be able to maybe get a couple more pieces in there. And then, yeah, so I got this wrapped, and I got it wrapped around back here too, so because I want to be on the trail. And then, what's that smell? Oh, it's coolant. Oh my God, what was that? Oh! It was you. It was you, wasn't it? You. Yeah, you. Huh? He's like, nah, Dad. Yeah, I ain't taking the blame. Nah, that ain't me. No? But yeah, so I got a lot more to do here. Yeah. That sheet should do pretty much everything I need and then some. So yeah, I'll just keep on pitter-pattering. All right, update time.
Got that piece all nice and gold and shiny. And up behind the pipes here, I got what I think be enough. We'll see. Well, I did this piece too, because this piece goes right there, and it's right in front of the header. So if I need to add a little bit more on this side, I will. Well, I'll keep an eye on it. You know, I'm just gonna go easy at it first and see where's the hot spots, and then let it cool off and go from there. All right, so I have most of it all fitted up. Dog tags. Hi, buddy. Hi. So I have most of it fitted up here. So these two pipes, they have been a little bit of a pain in my hole to fandangle in here, but it is looking good so far. I like it. I like it a lot. Man, these, well, that's one thing when you go bigger pipes, you're gonna have fitment issues, especially as it gets bigger, 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 all the way across. So a lot more flow, that's for dang sure. But man, they look, just look at that. Oh, all right. So I pretty much have everything good to go. The only thing that I found funny is, I don't know if they did this on purpose, but normally when you have a two-tiered exhaust, the top is usually forward more and the back one is back in, but they did it the other way. And I thought maybe I installed something wrong, but no, that's the way it is. Kind of wish that that they're flush with each other, but there's not much I can do about that. It's all bolted in. That's how it's orientated. That's just how it is. I'll get used to it. So they sure make it close though. I mean, these are wide tires on the back, but that's the only thing I'm a little bit worried about. Like if I get any kind of material in here, material as in mud. So that's my only concern. I mean, the suspension's not gonna go in. It's up like this, but it should still clear. I hope. And I think it's time to go to full tuning mode. I have it hooked up right now. I still have wires like all over the place, but yeah. That's hooked up to the laptop. That's the auto tune. I got stuff to do here, so yeah. But for right now, she starts, she runs, and it sounds good. Oh yeah, it sounds really good. Let's see how it goes. It's a bit of work. Like if the piggyback module that I had, super easy, just a couple wires, done. This is definitely a lot more in-depth. You need a laptop for one, and they don't support Apple. For anybody that wants a Power Commander, you have to have a PC. So just a little tidbit of information there. Luckily I had an old laptop that will suit this particular situation perfectly. And yeah, it's just going to take time. Every time you run the quad, the auto tune learns. It learns and learns, and it tunes it to the very specific ratio that you put in. If you don't, there's maps that you can download, but it's all based on your modifications. And yeah, so this thing is beyond modified, so I kind of have to go from scratch, and the tuner is going to take a little bit longer to get it in the right ratio, air fuel ratio. But yeah, once it's done, that's it. Should be good. Yeah, I just have to ride it more. Pretty much, that's all it is. You just have to drive it
and it'll, like it says, auto tune, tunes itself and keeps it right in that happy medium range that you want it at. So yeah, try to set the camera back up in the same spot so that next time it'll be a similar distance and hopefully conditions. That's not too bad. So, I don't know, like I said, I'll keep an eye on it. That's 610 at idle. So, what that's going to be like at full throttle, you know. But I mean, there's going to be air passing through that gap too, so I don't know, we'll see. Go up and down the alley, do a couple of good pulls back and forth. I will hopefully not melt my coolant bottle.